Top 7 Data Jobs in 2025, Salaries, Skills, and Career Growth. Thinking about a career in data or AI? These are the top 7 data jobs in 2025, ranked by salary, growth, and the skills you actually need. From data engineer to prompt engineer, here's your roadmap to the best-paying tech careers this year. Data engineer. They build the pipelines that move information across the company. Skills include Python, SQL, Spark, AWS, and Azure. They're critical for AI systems and cloud platforms. Typical salaries range from $110K to $150K per year. Data Analyst. The most common entry point into tech. Analysts use Excel, Power BI, and SQL to translate data into insights that guide decisions. It's the perfect starting role if you're building a portfolio. Average pay, $70K to $120K. Machine learning engineer. They make artificial intelligence work in the real world. Their tools are Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Docker. Every company needs them as AI expands. Typical salaries go from $140K up to $200K or more. Analytics engineer. A hybrid between a data engineer and a data analyst. They use dbt, Snowflake, and Git to create clean, reusable datasets for teams. This is the fastest-growing data job right now. Pay ranges between $110,000 and $130,000. Business intelligence analyst. They design dashboards and track performance metrics in Power BI or Tableau. They make complex data understandable to executives. Average salaries range from $80,000 to $110,000. Data scientist. The storytellers of the data world. They build models, test hypotheses, and predict outcomes. They blend math, programming, and creativity to solve problems. Average salary, $120K to $180K. Prompt engineer. The newest addition to the AI workforce. Prompt engineers write and test instructions that guide large language models like ChatGPT. They need logical thinking, clarity, and understanding of model behavior. Their salaries already reach $130K and beyond. Across all these roles, 3 skills appear everywhere. SQL for managing data, Python for automation and analytics, and communication for explaining insights clearly. If you want to enter the field, start building projects. A dashboard, a predictive model, or an AI prompt demo. Show your skills and the job will follow. The data world rewards curiosity, consistency, and creativity. Pick your path, spend the next 90 days learning, and your future self will thank you. Which of these data jobs would you go for? Comment below and subscribe for more data, AI, and tech career insights.